Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Hacking. Today I will show you how to use Kali Linux in an Android mobile and Windows 10 also. Without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, first of all open your Chrome or any browser. Type onworks Kali Linux and search for the and you will get the website. Press on the first link. The website will be open. Then scroll down. Then you will see a run online. Press on that. Please wait some time to run our operating system. After you getting OS Kali Linux 2019, then scroll down and press start. Again wait some time. Wait up to the time is completing. Now you can see our Kali Linux is ready. Then press enter. Again wait some time to get all our works done. You want to wait for 25 seconds to complete its process on the background. There you go, our Kali Linux is ready. If you want to open terminal, click on terminal. See, our terminal is ready. For example, I am typing pkg install some small package like called nano. Sorry, in the Kali Linux we won't see pkg. We want to use apt. Then enter. There you go. It started installing. Type ls to see all our folders. If you want to use Metasploit, then click on the Metasploit. If you want to open files, see our files was opened, and we can do anything in this. Click wrong button. There are many tools you can use in Kali Linux, and this is only for free. You can use Kali Linux in online, but not only Kali Linux. You can use Windows 10 and any other operating system. Now I will show you how to use Windows 10 in Android. Open new tab and search for onworks onworks Windows 10. Then press enter, scroll down, press the first link and then scroll down. There you go. Press on the run online. Please wait some time. Again scroll down, press start. Again it's saying please wait. Okay, we will wait for 20 seconds. We will wait for 20 seconds. Not only Windows, not only Windows and Kali Linux, you can use any operating system in online. Okay, there you go. Press enter. Again, wait for 25 seconds for processing in the background. You can use Ubuntu, Apple, MacBook, Chromebook, Parrot, any operating system in online from this website. There you go. Our Windows 10 is ready. Let's open Chrome, sorry, Firefox in the our Windows 10. See, okay, let's open YouTube. It's taking loading. There you go. Our YouTube is ready. It's saying sign. You can zoom in. Maybe I can sign later. Let's open some some other thing on Windows 10. Let's first CM command prompt. Let's search for command prompt. CMD. Okay, there we go. Command prompt. It's open. Let's type LSC. Our all packages installation are available here. Like this, you can use any operating system in online. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to Tech Hacking.